So I'm printing a hw101 knob, and let me show you what it is. So these knobs, they always snap off. That's what they look like. And this only has two, but you know, anyway. So also I learned something today, which is pretty much I'm learning shit every day. This thing, I couldn't get it to print for nothing. It was just like crap. I'll show you an example. This is a microphone holder. I'm like, what the hell is going on here? And to show you the difference, same settings, right here. Here is this printer. You can see that stupid line in the middle. That's because here, if you screw around with the settings on this thing, there's certain options that you can change while you're using it, but if you touch the filament one, it will cause it to stop and pause. And so now we have this just stupid line right through there where it stopped and paused. So this one here is a very long print. This is 40%, 46 minutes, but anyway, this was 20 minutes of crap, and you know, it's just not working right. So I changed the nozzle on this. My friend gave me a bunch of nozzles and little rubber boots that go around it. Fortunately, I'm pretty sure they're all the same size. Creality 3D printer parts upgrade, 0.4 S5 ANET A8 Ender 3 5 pieces. So this one here, I don't know if there's any markings on it to find out like what size it is. If it, I think these are 0.2 from the gate on this printer, so that could also account for it printing differently than the other one. But anyway, I re-leveled the bed and I changed the nozzle, and that's all I can think of. The screen hasn't done its wacky thing so far. The belt still needs to get changed. There's a spot where the belt is screwed up in here, but it does all its movement from here. So I have the belt. I just I got to get it done, but I need to get this thing printing good first before I worry about that. You can also go on to eBay or Amazon and order an all metal extruder, I guess. So that's another option to do. I don't know if I'm going to need to do that or not. But I thought about it as far as doing some production stuff once I get the hang of it. There's a lot of really cool stuff I'd like to print. And we have a ham fest coming up this coming weekend. And if I had a bunch of stuff, I could, you know, sell stuff. But anyway, also I saw a few things posted on Thingiverse that said you have permission to print them as long as you give the original guy credit. I'm sure I could sell a few of these microphone things if I had the MD100 version. I probably could even sell, you know, the MC60s. So this is an actual, like, this is going to be a real MC60, I believe. So mine's in good shape, but I don't know. Actually, that looks like that's not. They didn't copy it close enough. You see, you can tell like that isn't normal for it to be over there like that. So I mean, they copied it as close as they could. But it's not like a complete copy. We'll see. Also, I enlarged this one in particular to see if it will accommodate the little bit larger MD100. So, but we did get the other microphone repaired, so we're gonna get this repaired. I mean, I'm just having a field day here, guys. I really am. I mean, I need to get to bed. It's late at night, and you know, here I am printing stuff. because you kind of got to babysit it until you get the printer good. We're using the new filament, and I thought maybe it was bad, so I put it on here. Put the old stuff over there, and I'm like, okay, same problem, different filament. So we've got some really cool, like, kind of green, like this color green coming tomorrow. And Junior wants me to print some turtles, so I'm going to print some turtles. So anyway, this is looking good. I'm really, really, really happy that this is actually finally working. So it's not like the best in the world, but I was able to run the other one pretty fast. I cranked it all the way up to 100 from 50. This one is at 50. It looks like it might be like melting a little funky in the center. Maybe I need to turn down my temperature. And I can actually do that from within here. So the extrusion is right here. And it's actually, no, it's at the recommended 240. So and then you push this and you can change the temperature of the bed. So definitely cool. These printers, though, they're not available anymore, and I don't know of anything on Amazon that has this capacity for a reasonable price. But I am looking at buying one of the Creality, I think it's the Ender 3 V3 SE or something. It's the one with the auto bed leveling and everything. But it's going to be like 8 by something, so it's going to be small compared to this. But you see, the area that I'm using is really confined to here. So, and if I have 2 printers or 3, eventually the other one's got to go back because it's my friend's. But hopefully this one will continue to work good. Yeah, I'm just having a blast. I really am. So anyway, happy Valentine's Day to all you hams out there. And anyway, I'm going to get this finished up and go to bed.